Operations with radical expressions. Today in this video we are going to deal with operations with radical expressions, meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First of all, we will see how to add and subtract expressions with like radicals. Let's see some examples. Let's look at 1a. So the expression is 3 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2. From the previous chapters, you know that the operation between 3 and root 2 is multiplication, whereas it's the same for 5 and root 2 and 4 and root 2. There is no operation sign in between, so this means there is multiplication. So, knowing that, we're going to consider this expression as 3 oranges minus 5 oranges plus 4 oranges. This means we are going to add 3 minus 5 and 4, or we can say 3 minus 5 plus 4. So we are going to do the operation between the numbers in the front of the oranges. So it will be 3 minus 5, which is minus 2, plus 4, 2. So this means the answer is 2 oranges, or actually, which is 2 square root of 2. So we are going to consider radical expressions or square root numbers as oranges, or if you'd like, apples. So we are not going to do any operations with them. Root 2 will stay the same. So we are not going to deal with it. We only will operate 3 minus 5 plus 4. We are going to deal with the numbers in the front of square root numbers. So let me solve 1c. So we have 15 root 3 minus 14 root 5 plus 6 root 5 minus 11 root 3. Now we have two different square root expressions, root 3 and root 5. So let's consider it like 15 oranges minus 14 apples plus 6 apples minus 11 oranges. So of course, it's obvious that we cannot perform this operation. 15 oranges minus 14 apples gives nothing. This means we are going to continue the operation with 15 oranges minus 11 oranges and minus 14 apples plus 6 apples. So what we're going to do is 15 minus 11 is 4 oranges, and minus 14 plus 6 is equal to minus 8 apples. So the result will be 4 oranges minus 8 apples, or 4 square root of 3 minus 8 square root of 5. Now here, this is important. Now for this one you cannot say this is minus 4 oranges or minus 4 apples. You cannot say anything. This is 4 oranges minus 8 apples. As in here, you cannot say this is equal to minus 4 root 3 or minus 4 root 5. It is neither, so this is not correct. This is the answer. This is what we have, 4 root 3 minus 8 root 5. Now is your turn. Please solve 1b and 1d and show me. And of course these questions too.